head-on typically describes a direct and forceful encounter between two opposing forces or objects, often implying a collision or confrontation where neither side deviates from its course. The term is commonly used in various contexts, such as traffic accidents, debates, or even personal conflicts. When something occurs head-on, it usually means that it happens with full intensity and without any attempt to avoid the issue, situation, or obstacle. In the context of traffic, a head-on collision refers to an incident where two vehicles strike each other frontally, often resulting in severe damage due to the combined speed of both vehicles. These types of accidents are particularly dangerous because the force of impact is greatly magnified, leading to a higher likelihood of serious injuries or fatalities. The term emphasizes the fact that both parties were moving directly toward each other, neither swerving or avoiding the other, leading to a direct and potentially catastrophic impact. Beyond physical collisions, the phrase head-on can also be used metaphorically to describe how people or groups address challenges or confrontations. For instance, when someone tackles a problem head-on, it implies that they are facing the issue directly, without evasion or hesitation. This approach is often seen as bold or courageous, as it involves dealing with difficult situations or opponents in a straightforward manner, without backing down or avoiding the confrontation. In debates or discussions, engaging someone head-on means addressing their arguments or positions directly, often challenging them with equal or greater intensity. The concept of facing something head-on also carries connotations of resolution and determination. It suggests a willingness to confront whatever lies ahead, regardless of the difficulty or risk involved. This approach can be necessary in situations that require immediate or decisive action, where avoidance or delay could lead to worse outcomes. For instance, in crisis management, addressing issues head-on is often critical to resolving problems before they escalate further. In everyday life, choosing to confront problems or challenges head-on can lead to quicker resolutions and a clearer path forward, although it also requires a certain level of confidence and resilience. While this method is not always the most comfortable or easy, it can be the most effective when the stakes are high or the issues are complex. In summary, head-on conveys a sense of directness, intensity, and confrontation, whether in a literal or figurative sense. It highlights a scenario where two forces meet directly without avoidance, resulting in a decisive and often dramatic outcome. Whether discussing traffic accidents, personal conflicts, or strategic decisions, the term underscores the importance of facing challenges with determination and resolve.